點解天空會藍色？
天空看起來藍色是因為太陽的光線在進入大氣層後被散射在空氣分子中。空氣分子中的氮氣和氧氣等分子的大小比太陽光的波長小得多，因此散射較為顯著。在這種情況下，較短的藍色光波會比較容易被散射，而較長的紅色光波則不太容易被散射。因此，在日光照射下，較多的藍色光線會被散射到觀察者的眼中，這就是為什麼天空看起來藍色的原因。在日落或日出時，由於太陽的位置較低，太陽的光線需要經過更長的路程，因此更多的光線被散射，使得天空呈現出紅色或橙色的色調。
轉英文。
Why is the sky blue? The sky appears blue because sunlight is scattered in the atmosphere by air molecules. The air molecules, such as nitrogen and oxygen, are much smaller in size than the wavelength of the sunlight. As a result, scattering is more pronounced for shorter blue wavelengths than for longer red wavelengths. Thus, under sunlight, more blue light is scattered towards the observer's eyes, which is why the sky appears blue. During sunrise or sunset, the sun's position is lower, and its light needs to travel through a longer path, resulting in more scattering of light, giving the sky a reddish or orange hue.
地球直徑有幾多公里？
地球的直徑約為12742公里。
轉英文。
What is the diameter of the Earth in kilometers?
The diameter of the Earth is approximately 12,742 kilometers.
空氣有幾多層？
地球的大氣層可以分為5層。從地球表面開始，最低的一層稱為臭氧層，其厚度約為10公里。接下來是同溫層，其厚度約為50公里。然後是中間層，厚度約為30公里。再往上是熱層，其厚度約為20公里。最外層是外層空間，其厚度可達數百公里以上。
轉英答案。
The Earth's atmosphere can be divided into 5 layers. Starting from the Earth's surface, the lowest layer is called the ozone layer, with a thickness of about 10 kilometers. Next is the troposphere, with a thickness of about 50 kilometers. Then comes the stratosphere, with a thickness of about 30 kilometers. Above that is the mesosphere, with a thickness of about 20 kilometers. The outermost layer is the exosphere, with a thickness that can reach several hundred kilometers or more.
地球係點樣形成？
科學家們認為，地球的形成是通過一個長期的過程，稱為恆星形成。在大約46億年前，太陽系中有許多氣體和塵埃團塊聚集在一起，並開始旋轉。這些團塊逐漸形成了更大的物體，最終形成了恆星。地球的形成始於它所在的太陽系原始星雲中的塵埃和氣體聚集成小行星和彗星，這些天體進一步合併形成更大的天體，最終形成地球。地球的核心是由重元素如鐵和鎳組成的，外層則由輕元素如矽和氧組成。在地球形成的早期，高能量的事件如隕石撞擊和火山活動不斷塑造着地球表面的形狀，同時也釋放出水蒸氣和其他揮發性物質，最終形成了大氣層和海洋。
轉英文答案。
Scientists believe that the formation of the Earth occurred through a long process known as planetary formation. Approximately 4.6 billion years ago, many gas and dust clumps in the solar system came together and began to rotate. These clumps gradually formed larger objects, eventually resulting in planets. The Earth's formation began with the accumulation of dust and gas in the original solar nebula in which it formed. This material came together to form small asteroids and comets, which then merged to form larger bodies that eventually became the Earth. The Earth's core is composed of heavy elements such as iron and nickel, while its outer layers are made up of lighter elements such as silicon and oxygen. In the 3. early stages of Earth's formation, high-energy events such as meteor impacts and volcanic activity constantly shaped the surface of the Earth while releasing water vapor and other volatile substances that eventually formed the atmosphere and oceans.
地球同太陽有幾多公里？
地球和太陽之間的距離是不斷變化的，因為它們的軌道是橢圓形的，而不是完美的圓形。地球和太陽之間的平均距離約為約 1.5 億公里，或者約9300萬英里。這個距離被稱為天文單位 AU， 它是太陽系中的距離單位，等於地球和太陽之間的平均距離。
轉英文答案。
The distance between the Earth and the Sun is constantly changing because their orbits are elliptical rather than perfectly circular. The average distance between the Earth and the Sun is approximately 150 million kilometers, or about 93 million miles. This distance is known as an astronomical unit, O, which is a distance unit in the solar system equal to the average distance between the Earth and the Sun.
地球同月球有幾多公里？
地球和月球之間的平均距離約為384000公里，或者約238000英里。這個距離也會因為月球的軌道而有所變化，從最接近地球的位置到最遠離地球的位置，距離可以分別達到約364000公里和約408000公里。
轉英答案。
The distance between the Earth and the Moon also varies because their orbits are also elliptical. The average distance between the Earth and the Moon is approximately 384,000 kilometers or about 238,000 miles. This distance can also vary due to the Moon's orbit, ranging from approximately 364,000 kilometers at its closest point to Earth, to about 408,000 kilometers at its furthest point.
謝謝，不用謝，有什麼其他問題我們也很樂意為你解答。